found a record once by the Mill Brothers, in this track called Yellowbird. And I heard another song by the Bright Eyes with this lyric about the yellowbird. And then I heard all these different tracks about the yellowbird. So this is more of an homage to the feeling that elicits such ideas of yellowbirds that might just inevitably end up flying away. But y'all are with me right now, so let's just, like a hummingbird, don't fly away just yet.